In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Wrike desktop app. This process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll have the app ready to use right on your computer, offering all the functionality you need for effective project management. Let's get started. First things first, let's visit the Wrike website. This is your primary hub for accessing all the tools and resources that Wrike offers. Open your web browser and navigate to their official website. As you do this, make sure you're on the right website by double checking the URL to ensure it begins with HTTPS for security. Once you're there, take a little time to explore the home page if you're not already familiar with it. It's visually appealing and packed with information about Wrike services, giving you a broader view of the platform's capabilities. After you've explored a bit, focus your attention on finding the download section. This is where you'll find the desktop app you need. Typically, you can locate this section in the main menu or the footer of the website. It's a good rule of thumb to always check these areas when looking for downloads or additional resources. As you navigate your way to the downloads page, you'll see various options presented to you. Keep an eye out for the desktop app download link. Wrike provides versions for different operating systems, so make sure to select the one that matches your computer, whether it's a Mac or Windows. Now that you've identified and chosen the correct link, it's time to download the installer. Click the download button, and your computer will begin saving the installer file. Don't worry, this file is relatively small, so the download should complete pretty quickly. If you encounter any issues such as slow download speeds, make sure to double check your internet connection and try again. Once the download is complete, you'll need to navigate to your computer's downloads folder to locate the installer file. On most systems, you can access this folder easily through your file manager. Simply open it and find your newly downloaded Wrike installer. To initiate the installation process, double-click the file. This action will prompt the installer to begin unpacking the necessary files and preparing your system for the app. During the installation, you might be asked to confirm permissions or make other decisions about the installation. These prompts ensure that the app integrates properly with your system settings. Make sure to read each prompt carefully, allowing any permissions the app requests. Following these steps helps ensure a seamless installation process. Once the installation completes, the desktop app should launch automatically. You'll then be greeted by Wrike's sleek interface, and you'll be ready to log in or create an account if you haven't already done so. And there you have it. You now have the Wrike desktop app installed and ready to use. With access to all Wrike's robust project management tools right from your desktop, you're well equipped to manage your projects more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Wrike on your desktop.